Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mute words on X or Twitter. All you have to do now is open your settings on your account and then try to search privacy and safety. You can tap it and you can use mute and block. Manage the account's words notification that you mute or block. You can tap it. Here you can mute the words from based on your preferences by tap mute words. You can add mute words. When you mute words, you won't get any new notification for posts that include them or see posts with those words in your home timeline. You can tap plus button. Here you can enter word or phrase that you don't want. For example, dump. Here you can mute from home timeline. You can turn on notification and from anyone or from people you don't follow. Duration, for how long you can go with forever, 24 hours from now, 7 days from now, or 30 days from now. So feel free to try to add muted words. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.